Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Botslab 4K solar powered security cameras. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Camera package. Everything comes in these little boxes here. And then it comes with all these accessories, like all this various mounting options that you can put the camera onto. And then there's a bunch of stickers and the user guide as well. And USB-C cables and various mounting screws. Everything you need to connect it. The box is all the cameras. So here's one of the cameras here. There's some more wiring right here to plug them in. They all come with solar panels as well. And then here is the base station for all the storage and to connect it to the Wi-Fi. And so yeah, let's go set this up. Let's go set these cameras up and see how they work. If you're looking for powerful home protection without the headache of wires or subscriptions, then the Botslab Solar Camera Kit might be your best bet. Welcome to the future of home security. The Botslab advanced AI cameras are more than just a camera kit. It's a complete surveillance solution built for clarity, intelligence, and ease of use. With true 4K resolution at 8 megapixels, every frame is ultra sharp. You'll catch faces, license plates, and even subtle movements with stunning detail. And it even has full color night vision, so your footage stays vivid and clear, even in low light. What really sets it apart from other security cameras is the AI. Powered by Botslab IQ, you can intelligently search your footage using natural language. Just type something like "person in red jacket" on Tuesday, and it pulls up the exact moment. So no more scrubbing through hours of video. With the descriptive notifications, they will give you clear, text-based summaries of what happened, so you know instantly. And if something suspicious happens, the smart AI alert system analyzes the scene and sends proactive warnings, securing your home 24/7. With 360-degree PTZ coverage and auto tracking, the camera follows movement smoothly. Whether it's a person, pet, or vehicle, it will always be in frame, and with no blind spots. And thanks to its smart tracking across every camera, the system follows events across your property and syncs the footage automatically. You also will never have to worry about the battery life, as they include a 5-watt solar panel to keep everything charged. Just one full charge can last up to 25 days depending on the activity. Installation is also super simple and wired free. Just use the provided mounts and then connect to the app. It also includes 32 gigabytes of local storage and is expandable up to 16 terabytes. That means no monthly fees and no reliance on cloud subscriptions. And your videos stay encrypted and protected. Just plug in the hub and you are good to go. So whether you're protecting your home, your family, or your peace of mind, the Botslab W510 delivers. And so yeah, definitely check out the Botslab security cameras today. And you can check them out in the link below. See you guys.